guys want this? What is this? What is this? Can Mama make a video? Can Mama make a video? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aarti and this is my channel Lifeomania, and here I just simply share my life with you. So in today's video I'm going to open this box with you guys, and it's matching my dress too. So I'm so excited about this box today because the products inside are from Russia. And trust me guys, Russian products are so good, so amazing. And I'm not saying this because my husband is Russian, but whatever I have used so far from Russia, everything was so good. And it's not only about skincare. I used the medications and I used body care, hair care, everything. It's so good. But the problem is that in America, there's not many shops where you can buy Russian skincare products. The only places you can get some Russian stuff is from Russian grocery store. That's it. But now I got this. So now without any delays, let's start. Okay guys, now before I open this box, I'm sure you want to know about this brand Russianbeauty. So here I'm sharing the video of the owner of this brand for you guys. So let's have a look.
Всем привет! Maria is here, the founder of Russianbeauty, the first Russian beauty store in the US. I've lived in New York for 14 years and I tried beauty products from all over the world, but I haven't seen a single thing from my home country, Russia. So I've decided to change that and introduce the best of Russian beauty to beauty lovers here in the US. I've curated a collection of amazing skincare products born and made in Russia, inspired by nature and clean approach to beauty. Please follow along and join Rumor on our beautiful journey as we are making our first steps here in the US. До встречи!
Welcome back guys. So let's open this box. I really love this color combination and I really love that my dress matching this combination. And guys, honestly, I didn't wear this dress to match the box. It's just like random selection. And Teddy is so interested to see what is inside. What do you think, Teddy? Do you think guys I'm going to give you treats? My dog thinks that I'm going to open a box of treats. No, Chloe, this is not your treat. No treats for you. Oh, I'm sorry. Chloe, can I share screen too? So this is how it looks. Pretty, and pink is my favorite color. First thing, of course, the card. There's a handwritten message. Maria and Team Rumor. Maybe I pronounce Rumor differently, but you know, I'm not Russian, so pardon my pronunciation. These are the products. Now let me show you. So first product is this lavender tonic. It says toner for dry skin. Next is this mi&ko. This is a day face cream. Yeah. Okay, look at this. How pretty is this? And the last product is Rose Marinus Foam. I know this is a cleanser. So this is a cleansing foam for dry skin type. Amazing. I have a dry skin, so I'm so excited about this cleanser. I got these 3 products here. So now let me tell you more about this brand and the product. So this brand Russianbeauty right now providing you I think 6 or 7 Russian brands, and all the brands are clean brands, free from harmful chemicals and cruelty-free 100%. And I'm so happy to see like their customer service is top notch, because there are some people who wanted to try some more Russian brands and they said that just name the brand which you really want to try, and we're gonna try our level best to add more Russian products and the brand. So right now, as I said, they have like only 6 or 7 brands, but in future you can find maybe more Russian skincare, but for now even 6 too much to try. but I'm so excited about these things. So now guys, I'm going to try this cleanser and then I will give you my honest opinion. And you know guys that I'm so passionate about my skincare, so I always try to be very honest about the products. So I'm going to try this cleanser and then I will let you know how I feel and how my skin feels. So before I go in a bathroom, I can show you how it looks. So this is very foamy because this is a foaming cleanser. And now I'm going in my bathroom because I don't want to create mess here. Okay guys, I'm back and oh my god, this cleanser is a bomb. It removed my lipstick too. You can see. Oh my god. And most important things, if you're watching my videos, you know that I don't like foamy cleanser so much. I like cleansing oils or the cleanser which hydrate my skin extra because I have a dry skin. But this cleanser, I told you guys, Russian products are the best. They are so good. And I'm so excited that I found this website. I'm so happy. So I'm just going to apply my lipstick again because lipstick is the only makeup product I use, and of course lipstick gives me so much confidence. So now I'm going to try this toner. I'm not using cotton to use this. I'm just going to apply and tap. Everything smells so good. You know, when first time I tried Russian sea buckthorn oil, I was so impressed. Okay, trust me guys, my face feels so soft right now. And now time to apply this cream. So I'm just taking this much. You can see the consistency and the texture of this cream. So we're gonna do dot 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 dot. This product also smells divine. I'm so happy that I decided to try the products from this website. So happy. About the cleanser, I can definitely tell you this cleanser is so good because if it works on my dry skin, it's gonna work on any kind of skin type. About the toner, as I said in my previous video, I'm not a big fan of toners, but once in a while I can apply toner when I feel that my skin needs some extra hydration. So for that purpose, I think this toner is really good. So these two products, I can tell you, you can buy with full confidence. About the cream, the texture and the way my skin feels right now, I can tell this cream is really good because it's very light and I don't feel any greasiness and oiliness at all. Even though this is for dry skin, but the best part, it's gonna hydrate your skin without makes your skin feel greasy or oily. Everything is 10 on 10. I'm so impressed, and I just want to say thank you to Russianbeauty to bring such skincare to America. So with this note, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.